Hey, welcome back. Well, as you probably know from a previous video, the heater blower motor is bad. So today I'm going to take it out, and it involves removing both of these coolant recovery tank and the washer fluid tank, so they can be in the way. And this hose is connected to the radiators on a plastic clamp on the radiator. And I really don't want to fight that and break it, or maybe break the tube on the radiator. It is a plastic radiator, so I'm just going to pull it out of here and go from there. I'm using my 1/4-inch tools today because, well, first of all, I'll take that hose loose. I'm using these tools because 1/4-inch because I expect there will be little room where I'm going around that motor. This hose just pulls out. You can see the rust. They ran water in this instead of antifreeze or coolant. I've added coolant to it recently. Reading the shop manual, I understand that there's some electrical connections at the bottom of this washer fluid tank. If I didn't say, this is a 10mm socket and a 1/4-inch drive. This reservoir seems totally empty, and the connection is actually on the back side here. There is plenty of electrical line to get it, figure out how to get it out of here. And then disconnect the line. Well, I would say that's a pretty tight fit. Can you see that electrical connection at all? Okay, here we go. Just like that. And it's been on there for so many years. Sometimes you can twist them. There it goes, and you can break them free like that. I don't know if you saw that, but twist the hose and they'll break free. Now, if this hose wasn't any good, or that plastic pump wasn't any good, I definitely will break something, or would have broke something. All right, there. Now we can put that out of the way. Okay, using my cob light, shed a little light on this. This connector there and that connector there, electrical connection, this is ground probably, or green, black actually. Those come loose. There's a hose down here that has to be pulled off. And these little screws or bolts are 7mm, and right now I see 2, 3, 4. There's either 4 or 5 of these. Let's get those things off of there and pull that motor out. If I didn't mention it already, make sure you disconnect the positive cable on the battery. That ground wire's definitely seen better days. That one was easy. Just put those out of your way, or just let them hang there. Hose. Okay. I'm probably going to have to save that hose. Notice I'm doing the easy ones first. And this is what they look like. Two. We'll go ahead and turn the camera off when I get all these other ones out, because they're going to be kind of tough places. I'll start filming again and show the motor being pulled out. Okay, when I pulled the 5th screw out, there's 5 screws, the motor just fell like that. According to the manual, you can't pull this motor out all the way. You have to take the fan off of it first. So I'll find out if that's the case. Wow, that is a big squirrel cage. They're probably not telling it. They're telling the truth, I'm sure. They say to put it upside down like that. Take this nut off, take the squirrel cage off, and then you're able to take the fan out. I'm going to hit this nut with a little lubricant first. Alright. Alright, it's 10 millimeter. And I don't know if I can do it this way or not. Yeah, it's very easy to do. You might be able to actually see how it's formed in there. Probably just hit that with a hammer handle, and while holding onto the squirrel cage, it might just fall off. We'll see. Yep, that worked fine. Alright, now to set the squirrel cage out of the way, which may not be an easy task at all. Actually, it comes out pretty easy, and it looks pretty good. Now we got to see if we can get the motor out. Well, that's the way to do that. All right. Kind of tight. Kind of loose. Probably the original motor. So, let me get another motor and we'll put this thing back together. Definitely want to keep it off the back of that. So that would go on there like that, I suppose, or actually the other one, like that. And then the back of this fits into the squares on there. Seven millimeter. I remember to put my plastic or my metal piece on the shaft. And weasel the squirrel cage down in here somehow. Turn it around. Put it on the shaft. Push it down. Comes loose, I'm sure I'll hear it. Now to position it back into the hole. screw in to hold it down. Okay. I have a screw holding it in. I'm going to go ahead and put the other screws in off camera and come back and then hook up the lines. Alright, she's all hooked up. Hose is attached, bolts are in, electrical's hooked up. Now I'm going to go turn the key on and see if she works. Sounds good and smooth. Now's the time to start putting the other tanks back in. The wiper fluid tank and the coolant tank. Okay. I don't think you want to over tighten these because you'll crack the plastic, especially when it gets old. Okay, I'm going to turn the blower on the inside. Yeah, there's really low there. A little higher. Can you feel that? That's pretty good. How about that? You hear that? Still can't feel it. Blower seems to be working really good. High and even a nice low speed there. So, until the next video, hope all your repairs go well. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And this is Steve AZ711 saying bye for now.